Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about old Judge Rata and talk about what is happening in his courtroom. The stress of the courtroom, the stress of Babu Zungu being there. Damn it. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure that you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Sorry. Now, so yesterday morning, the first thing first, while before the court starts, Judge Rata is like, where is the other accused? Oh my word. I man. I Babu Zungu, what you doing there? You are frustrating the old man. What you're doing there? You're frustrating the old man because tell me, what is this now? He's looking for accused number 6. Of course, he knows that Kelly Kumalo is supposed to be sitting there. Subconsciously, he knows. He knows that Kelly Kumalo is supposed to be sitting there as accused number 6 since they say that he ordered the hit. She ordered the hit. So she's supposed to be sitting there. He knows deep down in his heart, Babu Rata knows that Kelly Kumalo is supposed to be sitting there. That's what we were finding out yesterday. He knows. Oh, he knows. I could not help myself when I saw Missy laughing. And then I saw Numalo laughing, and Numalo is like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all here. He's like, where's number 6? Who's number 6 now? Kelly Kumalo. Kelly Kumalo, go to the courtroom. Babu Rata is looking for you. Makums, go to the KK, please go to the courtroom because Babu Rata is looking for you. You are missing in action there. Babu Rata believes in the story of the mastermind, guys. True and true, he believes in that story because why is he looking for I choose number 6 if he doesn't believe that story? In his heart, he believes in the story of the mastermind. He does. He believes those guys were sent by Kelly Kumalo. He believes that story. Oh my word. That was so funny. That was so funny, guys. That was really fun. So now when he is busy doing that, me, after I laughed and I was like, no man. The reason he is looking for I choose number 6 is because the man is stressed, realizing that the chess game, the chess game, the chess game, the chess game, the chess game. He is supposed to be in his house right now, not doing court cases. He is supposed to be oh my word. No, at this point, no, guys. No, 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 no. At this point, it's trouble in paradise for Judge Rata because what the hell is this? It's trouble for in paradise for Judge Rata because what on earth? And I must say, Ubabu Zungu brought all the stress, not just for the IO. No, the stress is not only for the IO. People are stressed over now the revelations that he brought forward. Him distancing himself from the so-called statement Gininda said he deposed. Gininda said that Ubabu Zungu deposed the statement. And Ubabu Zungu is like, no, I did not. He told me those things that are there. He wrote those things. He told me the things that are going to be there also. That's what he was saying in a nutshell. Yeah, when at that moment of looking for I choose number 6, shame. It was telling. It was telling, guys. It was really telling that, yeah, the stress is on another level. Ujudge Rata is on Sizothini kwi-South Africa, sizothini ku-commissioner, sizothini ku-president, sizothini ku-chief justice. He's on some sizothini ebantwini. Ufrustrated uJudge Ratha, guys. Ufrustrated uRatha. Frustrated. It's not child's play, guys. No, it's not. It's not. It can't be. There is no way that this is when someone who is a star witness comes and says, "No, I never said that." There's a lot of things that are happening there. He has to determine forgery. He has to determine forced statement. He has to determine forced the so-called confessions, forced pointing out. There's a lot of things for him to consider now. There's a lot of things for him to consider now because, wow, guys. And at this point, one does not stop to wonder if Babu Zungu can come and say this, and if the Senzo Mayor, as high profile as it is treated this way, what about the other cases that are not on television, guys? What about the other cases that are not television? What about the other cases? Who is sitting in jail serving for a crime that they did not do? This is so sad, guys. It is so sad. It is so sad, honestly, because what on earth is this? Aishem, the stress that Babu Zungu brought in that courtroom, it's troubling everyone. The IO, Brigadier Kininda. In fact, it's not just Brigadier Kininda, the entire cold unit. The entire cold unit is supposed to be stressed by now because the next thing that needs to be done is an inquiry on the Senzo Meyiwa cases investigation, and people need to get arrested ASAP. The least that they can do, if they 2025 must be their last year outside the prison, they need to go in prison. Bayive kubo kunjani ukuhlala eprison. Abomurhola, Mugane, Mboto, bonke. They need the entire thing, it needs to come to an end. All of it. What did you think when you saw Judge Ratha looking for I choose number 6? Now I was like, okay, he's looking for Kelly. Deep down in his mind, he knows Kelly Khumalo is supposed to be there if she is being accused of being the one that sent the guys to kill Senzo Meyiwa. And also, he believes the story of the mastermind, and he believes that these guys have done the so-called crime. He believes it. Oh, he believes it. No one can tell me anything. He believes it. I don't know about you, but he does believe it, guys. He does. Where I call. Let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.